Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that.
Rajbhavan CC Kalara ya kanam ladu haka Lympung ilaka cricket balapulong daga North Shillong Block Trinamal Congress Committee kabalalong hamadan ilaka haur kaliar. Rajbhavan CC Kalara ya kesong pisa ke basilak Tyngka katba ke Jill Road pat ke badan final Kalara ya kesong pisa ke basan Pahojar Tyngka. Lapulong ya kini ke Lympung ilaka cricket pok ke jing penyai jong ke kertong ke TMC ke North Shillong ke kong Eljiva Gwenet Renjak. Kongsan hari ni kesini udah Vice President ke TMC ubah James Lingdo katba usumbut kongsan pan udah ubah Sambor Lang Dingdo.
Bonus name.
बढ़िया चुप चेक करा गेट और यार पकड़ी बोल पकड़ी पकड़ेगा बढ़िया
The cash prize for the runners-up is 50,000 rupees. Congratulations. The cash prize for the winners is 1 lakh rupees.
Smile. How you are getting 1 lakh and the coffee and the
Be excited.
Why everybody is serious? Not good. Come on. Smile.
Thank you very much for your lovely that competition. We are appreciate ma'am and everyone to the organize this lovely cricket tournament. So hope I will next again we will play a same type of tournament, and all the best for the Rajbhavan for your champions of this particular tournament. Congratulations, bro.
My team, congratulations to you also, and the crowd, they came for this tournament for watch. Okay, so thank you so much.
Finish this cricket knockout tournament of the 17th North Shillong Block Trinamool Congress. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, State Vice President Shri James Lingdo, our State Vice President Mahila Smiti Kathleen Marbanyang, State Treasurer Mahila Shrimati Clarabel Rinja, Shillong City members, our Youth President of Trinamool Congress Meghalaya Shri Fernandez Dakhar, Vice President Youth Trinamool Congress Shri Calvin Wan, our block members, our unit members, and all our dear friends who have helped us to accomplish this cricket knockout tournament. I would like to thank each one of you, right from the umpires, the scoreboard, the ball boys, the media team, the IPAC team, and the sound system team, and everybody who has put effort to make this cricket tournament a success. I wish the Rajbhavan a very big congratulations for winning this tournament, and also a big congratulations to Jail Road for their participation, even though they're runners-up, but both of you have won the match today. Thank you once again for your active participation, and once again I thank each and every one of you. If I have forgotten to mention anybody, I'm sorry, but yes, big congratulations to 17 North Shillong Block Trinamool Congress. Thank you.